आज मैं यहाँ पे कुछ फोनिक्स की टिप्स लेकर आई हूँ। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं फोनिक्स होती क्या है। फोनिक्स एक रीडिंग और राइटिंग की मेथड है जिसके थ्रू हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से पढ़ना और सही प्रोनाउंस करना सीख सकते हैं। स्टेप बाय स्टेप इसके बहुत सारे लेसन हैं। अगर सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन हम फोनिक्स के फॉलो करते हैं तो हम हमारे बच्चों को बहुत ही अच्छे से इंग्लिश रीडिंग सिखा सकते हैं। वैसे तो इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं, बट ये 26 लेटर्स जब ब्लेंड होते हैं आपस में तो दे आर मेकिंग नियर अबाउट 40 साउंड्स। तो आज हम उन्हीं साउंड्स की बात करेंगे। We know very well there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants are in English alphabets. These vowels are the melody of English language, and we can say the consonants are the beats of English language music, we can say. Yes, so let's start. Which are vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. These are all name of vowel. What are they? Name of vowels. Now what we are pronouncing, what we are speaking, that is called sound. That is called sound. Now here we will talk about sound of vowel A. What is the sound of vowel A? We are speaking simply A. No. A. What you have to speak? A. A means A and I. A. This sound we will make for vowel A. Now next is E. For E, which sound we will use? What we have to speak for E? A. What is the sound of E? A. After that, I. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. Sound for O. What is the sound for O? A. A. Right? And what is the sound for U? O. Right? O sound. For U, we are making O sound. Right? For example, we can say if we are speaking B A T, then what we will pronounce here? Normally people they are pronouncing B A T bat. But no, it is wrong pronunciation. We should speak B A T, bat. What we will speak? B A T, bat. After that, if apple written there, apple we are speaking. No, apple. What we will speak? Apple. Means if correct pronunciation you will speak, then your language will be little bit impressive, as well as you can improve your reading also in that case. Now we will go for sound of consonants. What are the sound of consonants? Here written already name of consonant. Name of consonant is B, C, D, F and so on up to Z. Right? So here consonant B sounds B. B sounds B. If your children can learn this sound, then easily they can create word. Right? If they will speak B only, then they can't form the sound of any word. But if they will learn what we are calling to B, then easily they can improve their reading skill. Now sound of B, B. What is the sound of B? B. Sound of C, there are 2 sound of C. One is hard sound and second one is soft sound. For soft sound, C, we can speak S. Which sound is there? Soft sound of C? S. Right? Like in city we are speaking city, C-I-T-Y, then city. Right? And hard sound is of C? Hard sound of C is K. 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 Like C-A-T, cat. What we are speaking? C-A-T, cat. Hard sound of C is K, and soft sound of C is S. Okay, clear? Now sound of D, D. Sound of D, D. Sound of F, Sound of F. Clear? Please learn it very properly. Here in consonant, two letters are like that, which has two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Which are the letter? C and G. G also has two sound. Yes, one is soft and another is hard sound. So G's soft sound is what? Z. What is G's soft sound? Z. And G's hard sound is G. How? In general we are speaking G. For general we are speaking soft sound, and when we are speaking goat, gun, like this word, that time we are using its hard sound. There is also one rule that laterly I will explain you. Now sound of H, H. Sound of H, H. If to any small kid we will write H-E-N, so how he can read? If he know very well what is the sound of this particular letters, then easily he can pronounce that particular letter and he can form the word. That's why phonics are very important nowadays. Next, J. What is the J sound? J sound, J. J sound, J. Sometimes for G also J we are using, and for J also J we are using, and some concept is there. Laterly we will discuss about this. K sounds, K sounds, K. K sounds, K. It is same like C's hard sound. C's hard sound also K means K, and K sound also K. Clear? Now L sound, L. L sound, L. M sound, M sounds, N sounds, Means here full we have to not speak, only sound we have to make. For M, for N, right? For P sounds, P sounds, Q sounds, right? Q sounds, R sounds, R sounds. It is very enjoyable for the kids if we will teach very properly to them phonics and that sound of all the letters. For S sounds, S sounds, right? For S and soft C, both sounds are little bit similar, right? T sounds, T sounds, T sounds, V sounds, V sounds, and W sounds full V. V sounds little soft sound is there, and W sounds V. X sounds, right? Y sounds, Y. Y sounds, Y. Z sounds, right? When zip we are speaking, then z, yes? Z sounds, z. Now little bit you have to learn these all sounds, and in next lesson we will learn how to form the 3 letters word and how to spell and read that very properly. Till then, bye.